Welcome to Chellaston Infant and Junior Schools. We are truly unique in that we are two schools delivering an inclusive infant and junior school education, but working as one. I am Lisa Turner-Rowe and I have the privilege of being the head teacher of these wonderful schools. We believe in a creative, inclusive education, and our curriculum is designed to ensure that children can play, create and experiment whilst taking pride in everything they do.
Push it down, that's it. Let's look at the pattern, pull it out.
Chellaston is uniquely placed to offer a transition between infant and junior schools, sharing not only the site and facilities, but an understanding of the school day, rules and values. Staff are familiar to all the children, often working in both schools, and there are opportunities throughout the year for the infants and juniors to associate with each other, including Sports Day. Throughout their time at Chellaston, our children learn to partner with one another. We encourage integrity and foster determination throughout their time at our schools, preparing them for the next stage of their education with a better understanding of themselves, the world around them, and to nurture aspirations to create a better future for everyone. We encourage our young people to be kind, ready for anything, and safe at all times, and our teachers recognise positive contributions publicly through different reward schemes.
At the very earliest stage of their school lives, children learn how working together and supporting each other helps them to succeed. Our purpose-built reception building gives the children space and learning opportunities to explore, share and play together. Our inclusive approach supports children to celebrate uniqueness and value everyone's contributions. Children are celebrated for their contributions in supporting each other in learning, around school and during extracurricular activities. We have a strong sporting offer and believe in the power of sport to bring people together, developing partnerships, responsibility and teamwork.
Play is at the heart of our children's lives. We believe it is fundamental to our children's physical and mental well-being. We provide playtimes which encourage children to be imaginative, creative and sporty. We promote risk-taking and working together.
We develop the principles of kindness, readiness and being safe with all the children in the form of rules, and work with them to show how politeness, manners, respect and thinking of each other are important in developing positive relationships.
The Chellaston curriculum is designed to develop our children's determination and resilience. Whether it's climbing to the top of the climbing frame or producing a leaflet to advertise a new pupil-led club, we encourage our pupils to achieve their personal goals. We plan experiences and visits which ensure that all children have had the widest possible cultural, historical, scientific and artistic background.
Our early phonics and reading programme focuses on letters and sounds. Reading is the golden thread which runs through our creative curriculum, and our youngest children begin to learn how to read using FFT phonics in their reception class.
We encourage a love of reading, to share books, to recommend them and have regular access to authors and book-related events. We look forward to showing you our wonderful schools.
At Chellaston, we are kind, ready and safe.